What's up, guys? At the end of one of my recent videos, this kid was wheezing and I asked for 20,000 likes and I'd upload the rest of the footage. Well, this is the rest of the footage and it sounds like someone's stepping on a duck when I make this kid laugh with my voice changer. So if you guys enjoy this, make sure you drop a like. Also, on Sunday, I'm doing Mom Goes on Omegle. Basically, I dress up as a mom and I go on Omegle. A bunch of guys actually thought I was a mom. The reactions I got on Omegle were amazing. So if you guys don't want to miss that video, make sure you turn on notifications and also set an alarm for Sunday night because that's when I'm going to be uploading it. So make sure you guys leave a like on this video if you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys later.
This kid's dying over here, dude.
Yo,
wheeze, dude. Did you hear his wheeze? I just made this kid wheeze. Listen to that. Jesus, he's still going, dude.
dying.
Are you good, man?
Who the fuck is dying out here, dude? Like, everyone's begging.
Give this man some water, please, someone.
You're making this dude wheeze in class, like, you gotta chill.
Give this kid an inhaler, man. Holy shit, dude, you good?
Oh, dude, no.
Best in class, you want me to show you my voice changer?
Yeah, sure, man.
Wait, no. Okay, you wanna fucking die?
That's not a voice changer, that's you changing your voice.
No, it's not, no. Bitch, that is voice changer. I'm changing my voice.
Yeah,
Voice
but
changer.
like, a voice changer changes your voice for you.
Wait, is this in a video? Please tell me this is in a video.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes!
Your wheeze is going in my fucking video, dude. She's wheezing again, dude! Jesus!
Your throat hurts right now, don't it?
Yeah, it does. I'm lightheaded.
Ooh, a care
Walk out and die,
package. Let's fucking go.
Oh my god.
You hear him,
Bro,
Best in
are
class.
you good,
You
man?
hear
Like,
him.
honestly.
Best in class, you're actually gonna make this kid go to the emergency room. Hey, class, say you wanna fucking die.
No, come on, I'm not gonna say.
You wanna fucking die?
Dude, I'm so happy.
I'm gonna lay my balls on your forehead.
Dude, I could literally just stay up all night listening to this.
I'm gonna relax you guys as smooth as possible, okay? Dude, that wheeze is
Yo.
great.
Yo,
Do you like that shit? That's the sound of a fucking hot dog rolling around in the container. Oh my god. I'm gonna relax you guys by this kid wheezing and sounding like someone's stepping on a duck. It literally sounds like someone's stepping on a duck right now. I can't stop fucking laughing this
that
time.
was just time.
Was that your chair rocking? Rock your chair. I want you to relax these people for me. The f is that? It sounds like a garbage compactor. Jesus Christ. How many ducks are you stepping on right now? Today I'm just gonna relax you guys by rubbing my desk and basically...
It sounds so much better in person.
Stop, you're gonna make me f***ing wheeze, dude. Holy shit, dude. Are you good?
Yo,
My
Best
head
in
hurts
class.
so much.
As you guys can see, the wild noob has just spawned, and he's gonna try to shoot me with a sniper, but I'm gonna dodge him and knife him. So, here we go, I'm gonna dodge him, basically just come over there and knife his ass. There we go, you f***ing faggot.
Dude, the most relaxing thing is his wheeze, though.
Yes. I swear to God, he's squeezing the last bit out of a tube of toothpaste. That's what it sounds like, dude.
Okay, now I'm gonna do high-pitched ASMR, so basically I'm a 13-year-old girl.
Yo, I'm laughing so much. I taste like blood. I don't think that's
What the fuck? You gotta go to the fucking hospital, dude.
Oh my god, yes.
Okay, so now that you guys are back in my... So now that you guys are back in my... He's already wheezing, I haven't even said 2 words. What does that sound like? It sounds like you have bronchitis, bro. I'm gonna stop making you laugh now, because I don't want you to have to go to the hospital. Oh my god. I want to hear what your wheeze sounds like away from your mic, like across the room.
Hi, is this fun enough?
Yeah. Get in my f***ing van. Can you hear me?
I don't hear wheeze.
Well, you have to be like close to the mic apparently for to hear the fucking audio. Jesus, dude, holy shit.
I can't be.
I'm gonna go get my brother real quick, put him on the mic.
Alright, tell him to get naked first.
Okay.
Dude, this is the best day of my life.